Patterns, ing, form, and infinitives. But what is this? Sometimes two verbs go together, and the way they go is different. For example, in this case, we're going to talk about two verbs. The first one is here, and the second one is always going to be the full infinitive. I mean, to plus the action. I'm going to show you here a bunch of verbs that go this way. Be able, agree, appear, arrange. Okay, just take a look at them, and if you have any doubts about the meaning of some, pause the video and take a look in your favorite dictionary online, for example. Now I'm going to show you some examples, okay? For example, number one, ellos no son capaces de terminar la carrera. Okay, so we got ser capaz, be able, y terminar, finish. So how do we say that in English? And this is the way. They are not able to finish the race. Okay, so the way I have to put these two actions together is this way. Verb plus full infinitive. They're not able to finish the race. Another example. Ellos decidieron ir al cine. Or ellos decidieron no ir al cine. So, here we go. They decided to go, or they decided not to go to the cinema. So, decide, to, and the verb. Okay? Another example here. Number 3. Él fingió estar dormido. Okay. Pretend, fingir, estar dormido. He pretended to be asleep. So here you go, two verbs, and they go together with to. And number 4. Espero aprobar inglés. Esperar. Hope. So I hope to pass English. So verb plus full infinitive. Another pattern. We've got two verbs. The first one goes the way it is, I mean present, past, different tenses, and the second is always with ing. Okay? Now here's a list of verbs that go this way. Admit, appreciate, avoid. So, some examples. No me importa ir contigo. Here you go, mind. So, I don't mind going with you. So, we've got a verb and then ing. I don't mind going with you. Number 2. Me divierte bailar. To enjoy. So, I enjoy dancing. Number 3. ¿Te apetece ir al cine? Fancy. Apetecer. Do you fancy going to the cinema? Fancy. ing. And number 4. James evitó decir la verdad. Evitar. Avoid. Okay, so James avoided telling the truth. Another pattern here is two verbs. A verb, an object, and the infinitive. The infinitive means just the verb, not to, okay? To go, full infinitive, go, the infinitive. Here you have a list of verbs that go this way. Feel, hear, let, make, notice, see, watch, okay? And some examples. No le hagas llorar. Okay? So this is the way we say it in English. Hacer, Don't make him cry. Verb, object, verb. Number 2. Déjame ir a la fiesta, porfa. Dejar, permitir, let. Let me go to the party. Let, object, and verb. Let me go to the party. Number 3. Oigo el viento susurrar. So poetical. Number 3. So I hear the winter whisper. So you got here, you got the object, and you got the verb. Okay. And now the last pattern here. Verb, object, plus full infinitive. And here is a list of verbs that follow this rule. Want, allow, ask, advise, invite, remind. Okay, so first example is no quiero que vayas. I don't want you to go. Ella me pidió cancelar la fiesta. Pedir, asked. She asked me to cancel the party. Number 3. Ella me recordó ir al médico. She reminded me to go to the doctor. All right, and these are some exercises from your student's book. We are on page 9, and this is the first one. So you have to take the correct sentences and underline the mistakes in the other sentences and correct them, okay? So I'm going to show you the key sentences, the solution to this. Now, this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Okay, so pause the video and check it out. And this is exercise number 3, page number 9. You have to complete the text with the correct form, ing or infinitive, okay, full or bare. And here you have the answers. Number 3, number 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.